This week, I tried to make some coasters.
So put down your tools, guys. It's time for a make or break.
Hey guys, welcome back to Make or Break. I'm Rob.
And I'm Sarah. And this week, Rob made some coasters.
So I saw this design. This was actually one of the creators that works with Heart.
Yes.
She made these amazing coasters with popsicle sticks and with a herringbone pattern. It just looks so easy and so cool. But like everything all right, just one.
All right, as I said, this one seemed like it would be easy and really fun, and truth be told, it was both. I just didn't do a great job. But it all started with this 3.5-inch wide, 1/4-inch board that we cut into squares. Now, if you look closely, you can see how warped that board was. This should have been a reason to put this project off, but again, I was in a hurry, so we kind of marched onward. After dealing them onto the bench, Sarah and I got to work on the popsicle sticks. Now, this involved clipping off the ends with pliers and wire cutters, and the results were pieces shooting all over the room. So naturally, like siblings do, Sarah and I spent more time shooting each other and trying to hit the camera than just getting the job done. But when we finished, we had a huge pile of popsicle planks ready for gluing. We started by coating each one with a bunch of Titebond because we like to keep it Titebond tight, and we smeared it around with our glue stick, and if you don't have one of these, get one. Once covered, we started laying out the popsicle sticks into a herringbone pattern. Now, this wasn't hard to do, but we kept getting left with these tiny pieces here and there, and we were worried they would cause trouble. Spoiler alert, they do. Now, at this point, we should have filled them with wood filler, but I forgot that step and went right into sanding down the extra sticks. And I have no idea how Bianca did this in her video because this was taking forever. That's when I noticed Sarah, living over in the year 3000, simply cutting the excess off with a pair of Heart DIY scissors. But instead of adopting her idea, I had to one-up her and started cutting off my edges with a miter saw, which was a bad idea. The first one turned out fine, but the second one did not fare well, with several pieces breaking off. But if Sarah and I have learned anything in the shop, it's that you can cover huge mistakes with wood filler. It'll look terrible, but you can do it. After the filler dried, we sanded each one down and decided we wanted to stain them. I grabbed some light brown dye stain from General Finishes and applied it with a rag. And that's when the excess wood filler showed up and either made them look great or terrible depending on your personal affection for wood filler. It was at this point that I realized the only thing that could possibly fix them would be President Jed Bartlett and Dwight Schrute. Turns out if your mugs are big enough, no one can see your failure. Hooray!
So yeah.
They're still pretty.
Okay, look.
Hers might have been prettier.
I made two. And I stopped just because by the time we made those two, I just knew better. I needed to start over. And I actually am going to.
Okay.
But we need to wrap this up for now. We just made a bunch of mistakes. One is that we used bowed wood.
Yeah, the wood was a little bit messed up.
Yeah, and that caused lots of problems. And then second of all, I got the idea of using the miter saw, like you saw, cutting off.
How'd that go?
The first one went great. I thought it was a genius idea, and it was gonna everything instead of sanding it all down. But on the second one, as you saw, I mean, it tore a bunch of pieces out. We tried to fill it with putty. Yeah, they weren't perfect. I don't know.
Are you gonna try again?
I think I'm gonna give them to my daughter because she'll appreciate them either way. But we are gonna go back and make some new ones and make them better. But the most important thing I learned was that I should probably start making Christmas gifts in like November or October.
Yeah, not December 23rd.
Probably not.
Next year. We have goals for next year.
I want to thank Heart for sponsoring this episode and reminding us we can build anything we can imagine if we do it with Heart.
Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss a thing.
All right, guys, break's over.
Let's make something.